Right, Som Distilleries was caught in a eye of a storm by virtue of the child labor charges that were levied against a private company which was a part of the group. Mr. J.K. Arora joins in to talk about that and more. We'll of course want the business outlook on Som Distilleries as well. But Mr. Arora, good morning. Can't not start with the whole episode that had happened. Now, what's the update there? Because as we understand, Madhya Pradesh High Court has stayed the suspension of the license of the private limited company. Is that the latest update? And what's ahead?
Yeah, after the stay by the Honorable High Court, the operations have become normal now. There are nothing as such, because it was a basically local politics. It is there, when at a small places you have a big industry, so local forces are sometimes operative and they do that. But when the fact remains fact, so this thing, the fact is that people in the area where this factory is located, they are extraordinarily happy. They have been well looked after. There is a very good hospital, school run by the company, which has got a free books, no fees.
Mr. Arora, can I come in?
Excellent.
Mr. Arora,
yes.
Allow me to please come in. So, no one is doubting that. But sir, you have to agree that even if it was a contract company, but it operated under your aegis, you may not have complete oversight, but you should have maybe had some oversight, or the company should have had oversight, wherein such things are happening, right? Don't you think so?
No, it is it's a labor contractor who supplied the
working for your group company, sir.
Who?
Working for your group company, right? It may not be a part of the listed Som, but it's a part of the Som group, right?
Yes, it's part of Som Group, but it is under altogether different management. The directors are not the same. It's a separate management, which is not managed by the same key professionals, which are listed. And it is a only country liquor business which is being supplied to the state government. So this is a small business which is into a separate private limited entity.
Sure. So fundamentally may not impact the listed entity's operations. I agree that. But I'm just saying, if it's part of the same group, sir, then shouldn't something like this have been rectified at the beginning itself? Independent of the horrific things that happened to the kids, the fact that kids were there shouldn't have been there in the first place, sir.
No. You see, it is the factory which is located in the village, and the parents, the village which have been allocated to us. These parents are working. Their PF, their regular, their payrolls. Their parents are working there, and factory is located. And being the school holidays, they are coming. It is you can't stop them. Children's coming, going there. So it has been ages since '86 that unit exists there. So children's are since the factories in village, the workers are in village. They keep coming. So to the parents. So it is not that that you can. There has been a process which has been abused by some local political people. So that's fine. The law will take its own course. There is nothing. We absolutely fine. There is absolutely no wrong. It has been highlighted out of proportion on the national media and all that. That's fine, but we know what is the fact. If you send someone, you will come to know that what is the truth there. You see, people talk a lot of things which are absolutely wrong and not correct. If someone goes there, they will come to know what are the facts, where the people are absolutely happy, and there is no wrong in this thing. Children have been coming in the factories because it is located in the village, and people are coming, going. So their workers are there, so their children are coming. So you can't really stop them by this thing. But since now you say once say it is illegal, so okay, let's fine, let's stop. Now it's a bit of inconvenience to the parents and all that, but let it be fine. We have strictly
Right, sir.
implemented
Okay. As
no
long
charge
as
must be.
it's the steps in the right direction and there's a happy end to this, I guess it's all good. But like you said, the children have been visiting their parents in summer holidays, noted. And as long as now that has been resolved. So just moving on, it's also Samina joining in. Let's talk business, right? I mean, we've been talking about alcohol consumption, the fact that that sector is now booming, and you've been around for quite some time now. What are numbers looking like? What sort of projection do you have in terms of beer sales? And also with raw material prices now stabilizing, I'd expect margin uptick can also be expected.
Yeah, you see, Samira, I can't really talk about projection because we are running into a cooling period that results are due now for this first quarter. But we can talk general these thing. There is no doubt about that regarding the prices of the raw material and packing material has been stabilized, and not only stabilized, it's getting improved. So margins are going to be slightly better than what it used to be. So I think liquor companies are in a little comfortable position now. Hmm.
It's all about premiumization, and that is the biggest talking point when we talk about alcohol sales. What are your thoughts on that? Are you looking at new brand launches, new marketing ideas? You want to give us a little bit of a sense of that too?
Yeah. The best part of the whole thing is that before this, when Indian single malt and all that have taken place, you see, there was a absolute this people have been projecting that only good whiskies and only Scotland can produce. Only Scotch are the good. But after this Indian single malt and this thing have been introduced to the world, it has been accepted by all the duty free shops worldwide that Indian whiskies are no less than Scotch. So that is something which has come up very well, and the acceptance by the Indian consumer and the worldwide, that is the probably the most I would say glorious scene we have. This thing, this has not only opened the way for the Indian companies, but acceptance of the Indian whiskies worldwide has really opened a big thing for all the companies who are aspiring to be the into the world market, or Indian, even Indian market itself is a very big market.
You're
So
right.
acceptance of the Indian, it's a
Right.
very good thing,
Right.
I would say. Yeah.
Right, Mr. Good luck. We'll hopefully talk to you once your earnings, once you report your earnings. Until then, good luck with business.